Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how to convert 0.0031 to a percent. So before starting the video, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. So let's start with today's video solution. So 0.0031 right now is in decimal form and we have to convert in percent form. So this is the symbol of percent and it is equals to 1 by 100. So when you remove this symbol, you can write 1 by 100 and in place of the symbol 1 by 100, you can write this symbol. So now first step is to convert this decimal into fraction. So I am going to write this in terms of fraction, that is P by Q form. So I am writing 1 in denominator. Now to remove this decimal, I am going to multiply with the number of tens depending upon the digit after decimal. So there are 4 digits after decimal. So 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 in numerator and 10 times 10 times 10 times 10 in denominator. So it's become 31 by 1. 10,000, which we can write it as 31 by 100 times 1 by 100. Now this 31 by 100, we can write it as 0.31 and multiply 1 by 100. Now multiply 1 by 100, we can write it as percentage. So it is 0.31%. 0.0031 in terms of percentage is 0.31%. I hope it's clear and you find it useful. So please give us a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos.